Good afternoon, class 8th. So today we are going to start with the determiners, and don't forget to attend the Zoom meeting today. I will send you the link to clear your doubts. So we should start with the determiners. Like, as you all know that determiners are the words that are used before a noun. They fix or determine the meaning of a noun in a sentence. Means the fruit vendor gave me a few apples. Now here, apples and fruit vendor, these all are nouns. So the determiners, a few. Determiners determine the meaning of a noun. How many apples? A few apples. So you came to know that how many apples the fruit vendor gave me. So here it determines or fixes the meaning of a noun in a sentence. It makes you clear that what quantity or what number you have taken. Yeah, it in the other sense it fixes the or determines the meaning of a noun. My father gave me a piece of advice. Piece of advice is a determiner here. So it get fixed. You came to know that what your father gave you. This is the noun, and you have been told about what your father has given you, a piece of advice. I want to read this article. Which article? Means it is clear to you, this article. This is demonstrative. This file requires an MP3 player. And because articles are also one type of determiners. So A and the, all these are the determiners. We'll come to know later on as we start reading. So in the sentences above, a few, a piece of, this, and are the determiners that determine the meaning of a noun in the sentence. They show whether the noun is specific or unspecific. They tell you about whether the noun you are talking about is very specific, very particular, you are talking about something particular, or you're just talking in general. Got it? Categories of determiners now. They are grouped under different categories. They are articles. Articles are A, an, and the, as you all know. Then comes the possessive determiners, my, are, their, etc. Demonstrative determiners like this, that, etc. Distributive determiners, each, every. Here, with these words, you will come to know that these type of categories, they distributed, each and every. So each and every, this word is used to distribute something, no? So that is why its name suggests. It is but obvious with the title. Numeral and quantitative determiners. Numeral and quantitative means either you get the number, countable है तो number का पता चल जाएगा, and if it is uncountable, then the quantity will be clear to you. So they tell about this type of category, they tell about the quantity or the number. Interrogative, as the name suggests, whose, which, etc. I hope this is not very difficult, so I hope you are getting it. Now we'll first of all discuss about the articles. Articles. Definite article. The is used before the specific nouns. The is used before the specific nouns. You have been reading these articles from the primary classes. So it must be very clear to you that the article is a definite article and it is used before when we are talking about something in particular or something specific. Or we have already talked about it. If we are talking about the same thing again, then we use the, or if we are talking about something specific or something particular, then also we use this, the. So there are many other means rules, but this is one of the main. Indefinite articles, a and an is used before the nouns which are singular. and introduced for the first time. If we are talking something about for the first time, and in general we are talking about, that is nothing we are talking about is specific or particular, then we use a or an. And a is used before the consonants and an is used before the vowels, as you know. I don't need to explain all these small things because you are reading this, you are studying this topic since second, third class, so it must be very clear to you that where the a is used and where is an used. So the nouns following a and an often refer to any person, any object. It can be any. We are talking about something general, so we use a and an before that. Zero article, it means there's no article required there before a noun. Now here, use a, an or the where necessary. Put an X, put a cross where no article is required. My sister has dash very good sense of dash. My sister has a very good sense of humor. I don't think any article is needed here. Her cousin is adroit pianist. Adroit means very clever, very skillful. Adroit means skillful. Pianist, the person who plays the piano. So her cousin is, this word is starting with the A. So A sound is a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. So here comes an. This is dash new machinery imported from Germany. So now here we are talking about something particular, the machinery which we have imported from the Germany. So is there anything specific about it? Yes. We are talking about something in particular. So here we will use the. Clear? Now we come to page number 31. He is dash idle person. So here again this is a vowel, so it is but obvious. And dash author should possess dash unique style of writing. A है तो an आएगा. An author should possess. An author should possess a unique style of writing. Unique. You will ask that this is also a vowel, the word starting with the vowel, but we have put a before it because it sounds like a consonant. That is why we used a. Because the sound of unique is u, unique, not as in umbrella, It is like u, unicorn, unique, university. So there are some words which sounds like the consonants. So before that we put a. Is it clear to you? We have just received dash information about our new project. We have just received an information. An information. I would meet dash raging of the dash skies, but not the dash father, said Lord Ullin's daughter. I would meet the raging of. I would meet the raging of. I would meet the raging of the skies. Here also the will come, but not the angry father. These are some words quoted by the Lord Ullin's daughter. I would meet the raging of I think no article is needed here. I would meet the raging of skies, but not the angry father. That American has adopted an Indian way of living. The team has been making dash progress for well over the dash years. Here I don't think any article is needed. The team has been making progress for well over the years. Varun is at the college. He will be dash home by dash. Varun is at the college. Where is he? So they are talking about the Varun and he is at a college. नहीं यहाँ सूट करेगा. Varun is at the college. He will be home by the evening or by evening. I think no article is needed. Varun is at the college. He will be home by the evening. He will be home. No, I don't think here any article is needed. Now comes the possessive determiners. The definite pronouns my, our, your, his, her, its, their are called possessives. So the words which shows the possession means something is yours. It tells about the owner. These are the words which are called possessive, which tells about the possession. The possessives can be used before singular as well as the plural nouns. They can be used before singular as well as the plural. Like it can be my camera, my cameras. This is also right. Our house or our houses. Both are correct. The possessives can be used before countable as well as uncountable nouns. Their story, their duty. Countable stories can be counted, so it is a countable noun. Duty is not that noun which can be counted, so there also we can use their duty. Our table, our idea. So it can be used before countable as well as uncountable nouns. Is it clear to all of you? Now this passage you will be doing yourself and we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay? So this is your homework and I will check this. All of you will do it yourself. All of you will do this with using the possessives and we will discuss this thing tomorrow. And now we come to this demonstrative determiners. The demonstratives, this, that, these, those. Demonstrative are the words which in which you demonstrate. You just means point out to something or some person. You are demonstrating, you are pointing towards something, you are pointing about some person or a thing or an object. So those words are called demonstrative. Like this is the book, that is the pencil, right? These and those, all these are the demonstrative determiners. This and these are used to point out at the person's objects closer in distance. So this is a very common and very popular subject, demonstrative, and you have been reading this since 3rd class. So it might be very clear, this and these, usage of this and these. So this and these is used for closer objects and that and those refer to the objects at the distance from the speaker. So this and that are used before singular, and these and those are used before the plural. So these things are need not to be explained because these are very, very common things. These are the base. So when the child is in second or third class, he learns the usage of this and that. So I don't need to explain all this in a detail. Look at these birds, means birds are at a distance. So here, this is the demonstrative determiner. I saw those people entering the office yesterday. Those. This gentleman has been waiting for you, means someone near is standing. That land has been sold, means that is at some distance. Land है, singular noun है, so that. This भी gentleman singular है, इसलिए this. People है, those है और distance पे है, so those. These means nearby. Now we move to page number 32. Turn to page number 32.